Continuing with the simulation problems, this is an important question. The occurrence of rain in a city on a day is dependent upon whether or not it rained on the previous day. If it rained on the previous day, the rain distribution is given by. This is the table when it rained the previous day. Events are given as well as the probability are given. From it, cumulative probability as well as the assigning of the random numbers is to be continued. Then, if it did not rain the previous day, the rain distribution is given by. This would be the table 2 when it didn't rain the previous day. So again, event is given, probability is given, continuing it, cumulative probability and the assigning of the random numbers. Simulate the city's weather for 10 days and determine by simulation the total days without rain as well as the total rainfall during the period. Use the following random numbers. This is given already in the question, the random numbers. Had it not been given in the question, then we could have used the random table. Assume that for the first day of the simulation it had not rained the day before. Okay, so now I will be continuing with this question. Just see, this is the first table, rain on previous day and the random numbers are assigned. This is the second table, no rain on the previous day. According to it, the table is made, event, probability, cumulative probability and random numbers are assigned. Now simulate weather for 10 days. Day 1, random number is 67. प्रीवियस डे जो आपने देखना है, नो रेन बिफोर दी फर्स्ट डे, तो नो रेन वाले टेबल में आप देखेंगे 67 कहां पे लाई करता है, तो 67 इज इन नो रेन. एंड जस्ट राइट हियर, ये फिगर जो आई है, जो भी आप लिख रहे हो वो कहां से आया है, दिस इज फ्रॉम टेबल 2. देन व्हेन इट इज नो रेन अगेन, इट इज टू बी सीन फ्रॉम दी टेबल 2 ओनली. 63 कहां पे है, नो रेन. Again it is going to be no rain and that is again from table 2. Then 39 also lies over here only, no rain and it is again from table 2. 55 is also there, no rain and it is again from table 2. 29 is also there, no rain and same from table 2. Next is 78. 78 is in 1 centimeter. ये हमने फिगर देखी है टेबल 2 से. Now for the next, it rained. तो जो हमारा अगला टेबल होएगा, it is rain on the previous day. तो that would be table 1. 70. Just see in table 1, 70 कहाँ पे लाई कर रहा है, 1 centimeter rain. This is from table 1. देन प्रीवियस डे रेन हुई है अभी 1 सेंटीमीटर. 6 कहाँ पे लाई कर रहा है, 6 इज इन नो रेन. दिस इज फ्रॉम टेबल 1 ओनली, नो रेन एंड दिस इज इन टेबल 1. व्हेन इट इज नो रेन द प्रीवियस डे, तो 78 कहाँ पे आ रहा है, 1 सेंटीमीटर. 1 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस फिगर इज फ्रॉम टेबल 2. प्रीवियस डे रेन हुई है, 76 देखना है कहां पे है, 76 इज इन 2 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम टेबल 1. Now this is the weather which has been simulated for 10 days and the question also asks during this simulated period how many days it did not rain. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 days no rain. Another thing, जब बारिश हुई तब कितनी हुई, total rainfall during this period. So total rainfall during this period is 2 3 4 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter will be the total rain. So this question is also going to be the part of your assignment. Just continue with these questions. Just practice. If you have any problem you can ask, but this question is the part of your assignment question. I'm just specifying over here. Till then, happy learning.